Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy biscuits, only way. Measure flour precisely, keep butter cold, and mix dry ingredients first. These steps set the foundation for flaky, buttery biscuits everyone will love. Start by combining dry ingredients, then cut in cold butter until pea-sized crumbs form. Pour in milk slowly until the dough holds together. Press gently and fold 4 to 6 times, then chill briefly for better rise and texture. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup a breeze with voice control, so you can focus on baking, not sweeping, and it even funny-lie chases crumbs out of the way. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Turn dough onto a floured surface, pat to 3/4 inch thickness, and cut without twisting to keep layers. Place close on the tray for soft sides, brush tops with butter, and bake at 425 degrees F until golden and irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.